Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm sharing the very basic Rakhi tutorial as Rakhi is coming. So this is the thing that you must try because this is very simple and easy and very useful as well. So here I'm starting with the magic circle and I'm making a 2 chain, 1 2, and I'm going to make 20 double crochet in this magic circle. So let's make 20 double crochet. 1 2 3, and it goes on until it makes 20 double crochets. Okay. So here our 20 double crochets are done, and in the very first stitch, the very first chain, I'm going to make a slip stitch here. Now I'm going to make 25 chains. You can make this chain as long as you want, so I am making only 25 because this is for kids Rakhi. So now I'm clipping off the yarn in here. So our one side is done, and now we are going to make another contrast color in this. So I'm here taking red color yarn. You can use any color of your choice. There is nothing like particular color you must take. Any color you want. So here we are going to attach these two color together. So to do this, I'm going from this circle and again making a magic circle. Okay, the magic circle, I'm going to make a chain 3 and make 20 double crochets just like we did with the yellow color. Okay, 20 times double crochet and we are done again. So here we go again, just like we did before, going to make a slip stitch in the very first chain, and again we are going to make a chain 25. Okay, chain of 25, and we are done with the Rakhi. You'll get this beautiful Rakhi. Okay, you can just pull this thread to tighten this circle. Okay, let's make 25 chains, and the Rakhi is ready. So I hope you just enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.